Are you looking for a way to automatically get an email whenever the specified user's post on Twitter contains the specified keywords? With zzBots, you can now install this as a bot pack from our bot store. This bot pack contains one bot. This bot will monitor for when the user you specify posts on Twitter. And if the tweet contains the keywords that you specified, you will automatically be sent an email with the tweet information. To install this bot pack, if you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click next and follow the instructions to connect to your Twitter account. After you finish installing this bot pack, you will be taken to the bots page. All you will need to do here is type the username of the account on Twitter that you want your bot to monitor, specify the keyword or keywords, and put in your email address. If you want to specify multiple keywords, you can add them to the if condition step, and will require that both conditions are true before the email is sent, or will only require that any one of the conditions is true before sending the email. To finish, save your bot and enable it as shown here. After it is enabled, your bot will continue to monitor for when the specified user posts on Twitter, and if the tweet contains certain keywords, you will automatically be sent an email. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your apps together or automate your business, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we'll be glad to help you.